Hey YouTube, what's poppin'? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all keeping safe and doing well. I know the market has been brutal and your portfolio is in the red and I'm feeling it as well, but we just gotta stay positive, stay focused, and if you have cash on hand, you can take advantage of these dips. So last March 2020 was probably one of the worst months ever, with the biggest decline in the market due to the pandemic. And this March, we are not off to a great start. So hopefully we start to rebound soon, and once it does, I'm sure everybody is going to start kicking themselves as they didn't take advantage of these bargain prices. So if you got cash, like I said, go ahead and make use of these dips. So let's get right into today's video. We are going to be talking about Castor Maritime, ticker symbol CTRM. Castor Maritime is a global shipping company that engages in seaborne transportation of a wide range of dry bulk commodities such as grains, coal, iron, steel, just to name a few. Now the company was founded in 2016 and is based out of Cyprus, Greece. Castor Maritime closed the day at 78 cents, down 17%. However, just last month on February 11th, Castor Maritime hit a high of $1.95. Castor Maritime has a market cap of approximately $400 million. Now, on the bright side, the dry bulk goods shipping industry is the largest shipping industry in the world by the total volume of goods transported. So Castor Maritime just released news on Wednesday, March 3rd. The news was they took delivery of a new vessel, the 𝗙𝗙𝗢𝗙𝗢, which is a 2010 Japanese-built Kamsarmax dry bulk vessel. And the main factor to consider is that they purchased this entirely with cash. And the cost of the vessel was $14.8 million. So this is great news as the company is able to pay for this new vessel in cash and they didn't have to borrow or accumulate any debt for it. The 𝗙𝗙𝗢𝗙𝗢 is expected to commence employment under a time charter agreement. Now, if you're unfamiliar with a time charter agreement, it's really simple. A time charter agreement is when a ship owner, in this case it's Castor Maritime, leases out their ship to a person, company for a fixed period of time. So the details of this time charter agreement are, it's going to start on approximately March 5th with a daily gross charter rate of $18,500. The term is expected to be between 5 to 7 months. Castor Maritime estimates to generate approximately $2.8 million for the minimum scheduled period and approximately $4.2 million should the employment extend to its maximum period. Now, a year ago, the container shipping industry was struggling to stay afloat after governments around the world imposed lockdowns to curb the spread of the coronavirus. Global trade plunged, forcing firms to idle vessels and cancel sailings. Now, the global bulk dry goods shipping industry is expected to have its best year in nearly a decade, and it's easy to see why investors are excited about Castor Maritime's future. However, now there is a surging demand for goods and a shortage of shipping containers. From this article, you can see that the cost of a shipping container from Asia to Europe has more than tripled in price, from $2,200 to now over $7,900. Once again, this is great news for Castor Maritime. Now, we're still awaiting to find out their earnings, but there is no confirmed date as of yet. Once the earnings have been released, I will provide an updated video. Now, hopefully their revenue is going to be positive as it has been in the previous few quarters for last year, and Castor Maritime has been busy acquiring more and more vessels, ramping up for business. So things are looking great for Castor Maritime in 2021. Alright guys, I just wanted to provide you with a quick update on Castor Maritime. Guys, I hope you got some value out of this video and it is able to help you make an informed decision. Please do your due diligence as I am not a financial advisor. And if there are any stocks that you want me to cover, please let me know in the comments down below or hit me up on Instagram at _finance. As always guys, happy trading and see you in the next video.